Most of our students are doing very hard work, and then apart from that they are unable to get that how much the results they should be expected, it is not up to that level. Apart from that, I also have get lot of complaint from their student that they are unable to retain all this content whatever they are learning बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन। तो उसके लिए जो हमने जो है वीडियो बनाया, क्योंकि उनका कंप्लेन ये होता है कि जो है उनका जो भी प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, जो मेमोराइज वो करने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो जो है उनको ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं इनके माइंड में रहता, दे इजिली कैन फॉरगेट व्हाट द रीजन बिहाइंड द dear student. The reason behind is that you have to change the attitude first. Okay, the attitude in the sense is that first of all you should have to think positively that whatever you are learning, it is already in your mind. Say your subconscious mind that everything in your mind, that's it. Okay, you have the confidence, so definitely at the time of examination whatever you have learned, definitely it is going to recall. But all this magic is not going to be happen for single days, it is a long term procedures, you have to practice. So from beginning, so that you can able to make some more strength to your memory power, right? So but apart from that, I'll give some more technique apart from that. Okay, सो उसके लिए जो है हमने टेक्निक बनाया है, जो है बहुत डीप रिसर्च करने के बाद जो हमने इस चीज़ को जो है कंटेंट हमने रेडी किया, और रेडी करने के बाद जो अपने स्टूडेंट के बीच में, हमारे जो डी स्टूडेंट है उनके लिए जो है हमने इस पॉइंट को हमने जो शेयर करने के लिए थोड़ी इस वीडियो के जरिए जो है हमने कोशिश किया. सो what is the important thing that other important thing that each and every student must know what is the memory upskilling. That is mean how you can improve our memory. Whatever the if even though हमारा memory बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन फिर भी जो है हम उसको और further how you can able to enhance. Okay, that is the other objectives. So everybody should know. Then what is the before that I should know that this is the difficulty, and so I must have to solve this solution because this is the exam time and lot of students they are facing lot of difficulties because they are again revising again, but again they are forgetting. So dear student, I will say that don't underestimate your mind. Okay, your mind is superpower, and then you should have the confidence and attitude so that you can able to deliver best way. Okay, should not be get fear and all. Okay, so welcome. Just I would like to explain that I just have to introduce myself. This is Mr. Nehal Ahmed, educationalist and founder of EDUCULATE Academy. I'm taking this my coaching institute. To this coaching institute, I'm giving that tutorial classes from all the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and PUC student science. Apart from that, we are also giving the training program for IIT JEE, NEET, all those courses we are covering. And then apart from that, I'm also giving that important that upskilling training program that is called the student skill and performance enhancement. Okay, the objective of this institute is to upskill the student so that they can be more successful their entire careers. So through this skills performance enhancement training programs, I'm going to give training about all those other topic like quick learning skills, and then deep learning skills include for critical thinking and creative thinking. Already I have explained some more topic in those videos. Then apart from that, for memory enhancement, flip learning, competency based learning skills, flip learning, project based learning, mathematical skills, problem solving skills. So these are the major skills will be needed for the students so that they can able to gain all those knowledge, and then they can be more confidence, and then they can enjoy their life. So that's what the objective of institutes. Okay, fine. So this is what just a brief introduction about this myself and my academy. So let's start our topic what it is here. So memory enhancement technology. So how we are going to improve our memory. So before that we must know what is the basic thing. So हमारा basic thing क्या होता है, जैसे first of all हमको समझना है कि memory क्या है, ठीक है. So memory जो है that is for it is the organism mental ability to store and retain this recall information. मेमोरी हमें पता है कि व्हाट इज कॉल्ड मेमोरी. मेमोरी जो है एक जो है हमारे ब्रेन जो भी है, जो चीज को जो भी कंटेंट पढ़ते हैं, जो भी हमारा जो उसको स्टोर करता है, और उसको जब होता है उसको हम जो रिकॉल कर सकते हैं इजीली, ठीक है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज ना पार्ट्स ऑफ मेमोरी क्या है, उसका जो पार्ट्स ऑफ मेमोरी ब्रेन्स, जो पार्ट्स ब्रेन का जो पार्ट्स है, जो दैट मीन कौन सा पार्ट जो है हमारे मेमोरी के लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट आर द थ्री पार्ट, दैट इज का हिप्पोकैम्पस, एमिगडालास एंड सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स। ओके, थ्री पार्ट जो है जो हमारी मेमोरी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो हिप्पोकैम्पस जो हमारा जो ब्रेन्स जो होता है, हिप्पोकैम्पस इट इज लोकेटेड समवेयर like this here. Okay, hippocampus is located here, so just rough brain है हमारा। okay, don't misunderstood something else। okay, so but this is for hippocampus, this part is called for hippocampus, right? Then other part is called amygdalas, okay, that is located here somewhat। okay, and then third one is called cerebral cortex, that is located in on the surface on the top। okay, so hippocampus जो है that is for, it will give for longest functions, that is for this will give for largest function, that is main part of that memory brains। okay, that is called hippocampus, right? Then amygdala, that is for all this emotion related response, it will be done by amygdala। amygdala जो है हमारा all the emotion का जो भी response है we will take care। then third one is cerebral cortex, that is for long term memory, जो long term memory जो हमारा रखता है वो that is your cerebral cortex। so this gets some rough idea about the what are the memory brains power on। okay, so this is what, then next one we have to go for that is for what are the different types of memory। memory is also different types, right? so just briefly we will discuss about what are the different types of memory। so first of all what are these things, that is called for human memories is for sensory memory, that is keep for less than 1 second, that does any content। then second one is short term memory। okay, so just I am going some little quick so that because the otherwise the video will become so long। so that's why just watch this video till end so that you can understand each and every point। okay, so don't skip in between, so then only you can able to understand। just I'm giving brief introduction so that you can correlate all these points, so that you can better way you can control your mind and brain, and then you can improve your memory power, right? so next one human memory, that is called short term memory, that is called for working memory, that is less than 1 minute। okay, then other third type is your long term memory, that is for lifetime। okay, so this is for main memory is for three types memory, like sensor, that less than। okay, next one is long term, I'm not going to go much deep about all this type। ठीक है, तो हम जो इस पे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, जो हमारा लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी जो है टू टाइप्स है, एक्सप्लिसिट मेमोरी होता है, इम्प्लिसिट मेमोरी होता है। एक्सप्लिसिट मेमोरी जो होता है दैट इज फॉर कॉन्शियस मेमोरी होता है। ओके, सो कॉन्शियस मेमोरी, देन इम्प्लिसिट मेमोरी रिलेटेड टू अनकॉन्शियस मेमोरी, देन अगेन implicit memory of two types, that is called procedural memory, that is skill and task related, and then where for in explicit memory is for another two type called for episodic। first for declarative memory, that is for any facts or event जो भी होता है उसमें हम लोग decide करते हैं। next one is declarative memory, also for two types, that is called episodic memory and then semantic memory, right? so this is the just brief about the types of memory, and then so once we know this all this memory and also accordingly we can able to control। so इसके लिए जो क्या करना होता है कि हम जो है ये हमारा डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेमोरी, लेकिन जो है हमारा जो ब्रेन जो है वो कैसे काम करता है, ठीक है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो है ये आप थ्री पार्ट्स ऑफ, फर्स्ट वन इनकोडर होता है, स्टोरेज होता है, रिट्रीवल होता है। ओके, सो इनकोडर जो है जस्ट व्हाट एवर द इंफॉर्मेशन होता है वो गेन करता है, उसके बाद जो गेन करने के बाद जस्ट कैप्चर होने के बाद जो वो स्टोर करेगा अपनी मेमोरी में, देन जब जो है इसको रिट्रीवल थर्ड फंक्शन होता है, रिट्रीवल करता है, दैट इज व्हाट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ लाइक दिस। ओके, सो दिस इज द ऑल अबाउट दिस ब्रेन्स वी हैव डिस्कस। तो ब्रेन कैसे वर्क करता है, उसके कितने टाइप्स होते हैं, ठीक है, वो उसके जो ब्रेन का जो है मेमोरी कितने टाइप्स का होता है ये हमने डिस्कस किया। नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कैसे हम जो है इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं अपना मेमोरी को, दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। फर्स्ट ऑलरेडी आई हैव सेड दैट व्हाटएवर यू आर रीडिंग और एनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स, that means you should have to just make sure that everything in your mind, you should not be underestimate, okay, that it is already in there in your mind। okay, even one formula if you know that a minus b whole cube formula, if you know that is it is already there, okay, you should have the confidence, but apart from that you should also follow some technique। first thing that how you have to recall whatever learn at least 1 or 2 times, you need to recall it. Okay, whatever you have learned at least 1 or 2 times, recall it. But better to that one time recalls, just check it whether whatever you have the confidence, it is already in your memory. So just check it, oh it is there. Okay, not repeatedly, otherwise you may lose the confidence, right? Then recall 1 or 2 times, then you have to recognition, you have to recognize that okay, whatever you have learned, you have to recognize. Okay, just write down some separate paper, or in this the formula whatever learn, you just recognize, just check whether you are able to recall all this content or not. Okay, so recognition, then you have to go for relearning. Okay, if you might forget, it may not coming perfectly, you have to go for relearning, then you have to go for rehearsal. So these are the all these point which can improve your whatever you have learned, right? Then you have to go for paying attention, right? Fully focus, fully completely attention you have to do. Then 6 point is a space practice. What is called space practice? Space practice is your that you have to just break in between. That means you learn for 30 minutes, then give break for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, right? So then again you come back, then you have to do continue, not for continuously 4 hours 5 hours continuous sitting and then doing your work. Okay, otherwise nothing will come in your mind. Okay, is that clear? So you should have to put break at least 40 minutes in a once, and then put a break, and then you have to give gap, and then you can start it. Then you have, that's called space practice. Then chunking memory, if you want to recall any numbering and all, right? So for example phone number, or you want to give for anything, so by using for chunking memory you can use it. That is my keywords, like for you want to go for some words like this, by keywords you can just put it. Okay, so like for 11, suppose you want to know for number 11, go for elephant. For this keywords, just intermix all together, that is called chunking memory. Then brain exercise, you do something brain exercise, like some good games, you can just use it and then do some brain exercise related, the tools you can use. Then you have to do for aerobic exercise. So once you do the aerobic exercise, the blood flow will through your mind, all that means will make your mind more active and more stronger. So that's why brain exercise you should have to do. Apart from that, aerobic exercise also आपको करना है. Then eat drink and healthy foods. Okay, so eat drink healthy food, like you have to eat for green vegetables, okay, fruits, good foods and all. Use for like omega-3 fatty acid, and you can use for this all this good fruits vegetable, that will good for our health. Okay, then you can use for good healthy relationship, that your surrounding and all, with your friends, with your family member, you maintain some good relationship, so that your memory can be better way to improve. That is for it's good. Otherwise what will happen, if there is some pressure, some stress, if it is there, then you may not able to get that much of things. Okay, the memory will not started to mind will not able to work properly. Okay, then you have to feel more happiness. Okay, then always keep positives. That's what I said, for keep positive aptitude, because whatever you are learning, you should be confident. Okay, you should not think that you have forgotten. You just practice every day. Whatever you learn, it is already in your mind, right? So that's the important. Then you have to do it for meditation. It's very good for your good memory, so memory will get increased by doing for meditation. Then go for natures, that is going for any park or gardens. You see that all these natures, naturals, that all this scenery you can see of all these things, that will improve your memory. Then for managing stresses, you should not be stressful, otherwise it may damage that our this hippocampus. Okay, brain. Okay, so hippocampus, if you more stress, hippocampus, that could be related, hippocampus brain will get spoiled, damaging. Okay, so we should not be much stress, we should have good sleeping and all. Okay, so good sleeping and all, we should have maintaining good sleep more than 8 to 9 hours, or at least 8 hours we should have to maintain good sleeping. Then not smoking, and then recording also you can use for recording for better improvement. And then maintain some notes, while if suppose frequently you can, if you are using note, that will be good for you, because अगर आप notes आप use करोगे तो जो भी है आप उसको आप नोट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बाद में जो है आप उसको रिकॉल कर सकते हो इजिली, ठीक है। सो दीज आर द ऑल द 20 key points. If you are following all this seriously, so definitely you are going to that your there is, you can see the some changes in your memory powers, right? So you can easily recall, you can easily able to learn very fast quickly, and you can able to gain that your performance can be enhanced very quickly. So this is the all the skills. So otherwise amnesias, that is for that's one kind of disease in which there is a complete loss of memory. Okay, memory loss, okay, will be happen. So it is for loss of memorized information stored in memory. Okay, so what is the reason for this disease? Is due to brain damage or due to degeneration of brain cell in dementia. So this is a disease. So whenever brain will brain cell will get damaged, that time there will be this such type of disease you may face some patient. Okay, this is amnesia is also two different types. Okay, so that will for sometime permanently memory loss, and then the current memory will be started. So the different types of amnesia. So but we are not going to that way. Just only the important thing is that for getting for better memory, सो मेमोरी हमें जो है अच्छी तरीके से रखने के लिए जो है हमको ये सब सारा चीज़ जो फॉलो करना है, ठीक है, जो हमने जो पॉइंट बताया। नेक्स्ट वन ये है कि हमें जो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना है, और उसको जो है हम जो है जो भी याद करें हमें कॉन्फिडेंस रहना, और हमें सब कॉन्शियस को हमें ऑलरेडी रिकॉल करते रहना कि एवरीथिंग इज इन माय माइंड। ओके, एंड सेम टाइम यू हैव टू डू ऑल द रिहर्सल, प्रैक्टिस, रिकॉग्निशन, रीलर्निंग। आप वो भी काम करते रहो ताकि जो है और भी अगेन अगेन जो है वो रिपीटेड होता रहेगा, और जो है आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा। होप स्टूडेंट्स यू अंडरस्टूड दैट हाउ यू कैन improve this your memory, and then there is also some deep process. Okay, so in our institute or academy we are doing all these exercise and all through which we can able to enhance our memory. So I'm planning for do for that better way to all this exercise, so that practically it can be done. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.